The battery in this Lifecycle 95R is located in the very rear. The battery is held in by two screws and electrically connected by two removable spade connectors. You will know if the battery should be replaced when the pause function stops working after you stop pedaling. The display is supposed to remain on for 60 seconds, powered by the battery during those 60 seconds. And if the display goes blank when you stop pedaling or does not stay on for the full 60 seconds, then it's time to replace the battery. The battery is a rechargeable 6-volt 2.5 amp hour with the following specs. Now make sure you get the correct battery because a larger 5 amp hour battery is used on many other Lifecycle equipment. The larger battery won't fit into the battery cavity on this bike. The battery can be accessed for replacement by removing this small panel at the rear, which is held on by two screws. Now, when you unscrew the two screws that hold the battery, I suggest using a Phillips head screwdriver with a strong magnetic tip so the screws don't drop down after they are removed, because your fingers won't have access to reach in to hold the screws. If a screw is dropped, it's really no big deal though, because you will just have to remove the left side panel to locate that screw. And with the panel removed, that actually makes the battery replacement job a little more accessible and easier.